What up mga solid subscribers, no? So guys, no, meron tayong papanoorin, no? Nag-appear niya lang siya sa aking YouTube newsfeed, no? So ito yung video ni Jiro Pages, guys, no? After almost crashing the site, they're now asking for a day to Taiwan and Malaysia, guys, no? Okay? Tara, panoorin natin, guys. A very big shout kay Jiro Pages, no? Kanya po itong video na papanoorin natin, no? So tara, atiyan natin kung anong balik. I'm pretty sure, guys, yung iba sa inyo, I think baka napanood to, pero hindi pa na. So tara, let's go!
The international buzz for SB19 and their music continues marching forward unabated. With the recent discussions of the P-pop's reach in Southeast Asian charts, here, we're literally blessed with the Queen Gento, getting another major spotlight on a Malaysian reality singing competition, Big Stage Alpha. She's literally reminding us that she's as strong as ever. Here, OT7 gives us a powerful live vocals and dance cover of the phenomenal track.
Nagawa ko na reaction video to, guys, no? Kaso na-block po tayo, no? Na-block po tayo. Gawa ko na paraan, guys. Lagyan ko siya ng watermark, no? Hindi ko alam, guys, kung mapanood niyo itong video to is baka na-release ko na, no? So basta yun. Basta nagawa ko siya ng reaction video, no? Kaso na-block po tayo ng mismong owner ng video na yun, no? Kasi parang yung mismong company mismo.
Also take note that this is shown on a large platform, such as Astro One, which is built on top of Malaysia's largest media platform, Astro. This performance even got a gleeful post on Astro One's socials. This international growth of SB19 is manifested well too on the growing appeals of growth of SB19.
Akala ko mabasa ko iba pala language.
Is manifested well too on the growing appeals of Taiwanese 18 for a day 2 of their SAW concert there. If you remember well, on March 22nd, 12 p.m., 1Z Entertainment opened the ticketing site for SAW World Tour Taiwan, and as one update put it, SB19 just caused digital chaos in Taiwan.
Ito ang mahirap, guys, no? I think sa atin may chance pa, no, na magkaroon ng day 2, no? Pero kasi napakahirap, guys, na magkaroon ng day 2 pag outside the Philippines na po talaga, no? Bakit ka mo, no? Kasi syempre pag sa Pilipinas, there are chances na makakakuha tayo ng day 2 kasi syempre yung resources natin, like pwede naman tayong by land lang pumunta sa concert area, no, para mapuntahan yon, and at the same time yung mga organizers by land makipag-set ng meeting na baka pwedeng ganyan or what, no, and gano'n, no. Ang mahirap kasi, guys, no, pag may day 2, no, sa ibang bansa, no, hindi ko alam, guys, kung posible siya, no? Pero sana posible, no? Pero syempre yung schedule kasi na SB19 nakaset na po yan, no? Iba't ibang lugar ang pupuntahan nila, guys, no? Simula at wakas world tour, guys, no? Sunod na po yan, no? So hindi yan alam baka yung ticket nila para pang day 2 is, or kunyari yung date na pang day 2 is yun na pala yung flight nila pabalik, or kaya meron silang guesting, no? So napakahirap, guys, no? Sobrang tight ng schedule nila pag nasa ibang bansa po talaga, no? Tight din yung schedule nila pag dito sa bansa natin, no? Pero iba yung yung pag nasa ibang bansa po talaga, guys, no? Napakahirap, hindi ka makakagalaw talaga na maayos diyan kasi syempre hindi natin yan bansa, no? Iba-iba yung culture, iba-iba yung rules, iba-iba yung mga batas, no? So hindi natin alam, guys, yung mga bawal sa atin is pwede sa kanila, yung mga pwede sa kanila bawal pala sa atin, no? Di ba? May mga ganung klaseng bagay, guys, no? Kaya sana maintindihan din ng mga 18 all over the world, no, na kung hindi man makapag-day 2 ang ating mahalima, no, sana yun nga maintindihan nyo kasi napakahirap na magkaroon ng isang bagay na alam mong hindi mo pa siya ganun kakontrolado, no. Napakahirap po niyan, guys, no. Pero I'm pretty sure, guys, na believe me, 101%, guys, no, gustong-gusto ng SB19 na magkaroon ng day 2. Gustong-gusto nilang lahat ng 18, lahat ng fans ng SB19 is mapanood sila ng live, guys, no. Tandaan nyo yan, guys, no. Hindi nila hangad na bitinin tayo, no. Ang hangad nila is talaga mabigay nila yung all-out na performances nila, guys, no. And all-out na yung yung binibigay nilang entertainment sa atin, no. So malay nyo naman, guys, no, sa mga susunod na pagbisita nila dyan, guys, no, maaari na natin silang mapanood ng day 2, no. Kasi alam mo yun, syempre makikita nila, guys, na uy, may mga sa Taiwan nga may nagre-request ng day 2 and hindi kinaya na day 1 lang, ang dami pang hindi nakapanood, no. So baka pwedeng sa susunod natin na bisita ron mag day 2 na tayo, no. So kaya tayo, guys, no, pag halimbawang magkakaroon ng ganyan, no, bombahin agad natin sa Twitter, Facebook, or sa kung anong social media platforms yung 1C Entertainment. Na yun ganun guys, no. Kasi syempre, mahirap din guys mag-risk. Mahirap mag-risk guys, no, ng mga bagay na hindi natin sure, no. Lalo na't nasa ibang bansa tayo, no. Doon lang tayo sa safe, no. Okay.
VIP tickets gone in minutes. Website nearly crashed. One word, sold out. And sold out it is, as reported a few hours later by the official SB19 account. Multiple Taiwanese news outlets reported on this concert too. Now many fans are asking for a day 2 of their Taiwan concert, expressing that the venue can't accommodate them all, and many were not able to get tickets for the one-day Taiwan concert. Of course, considering the amount of time before the concert happens on June 29th, 16 days from now, some are worried about the logistics of adding another day of the concert with the limited time available for preparing it all.
Diba sabi ko sa inyo na guys, napakahirap niyan. Napakahirap po talaga niyan, guys. Yung logistics, yung mga expense, lahat, guys, no, hindi ganun kadali yan, guys. Tandaan nyo, bawat kilos nyo dyan, like, kunyari, pag nag-set ka ng day 2, hindi lang yan, for me, ewan ko lang, guys, tingin ko lang, hindi lang dyan babayaran mo yung mismong venue na magkaroon kayo ng day 2, no. Babayaran mo din dyan, guys, yung mga staff na, kunyari, mga bouncers, mga technicals, and then yung mga tao sa nakapaloob dun sa mismong event na yun, no. And then at the same time, guys, babayaran mo din dyan, guys, yung mga, kung ano mga expense na kailangan nyo bayaran na additional, no. Napakarami nyo babayaran po dyan, guys, no. Unlike dito sa ating bansa, no, madali lang kasi pag halimbawa naman na nag-request ng day 2, no, marami tayong resources, no, marami tayong contacts since di tayo nakatira, guys, sa ating bansa, guys, no. And napakarami nating resources, napakarami nating contacts, no. And pag sa ibang bansa, guys, napakahirap. Baka yung makuha nyo pang yung mamaya, yung sa day 1 nyo, yung mga technicals doon, yung mga staffs, lahat, no, baka hindi na sila available ng susunod na araw, no. So maghahanap pa sila ng panibagong tao na pwedeng mag-organize ulit, no, lang yung mga bagay na yun, no, di ba? Makapaloob dun sa concert na yun, no? So ayun, ayun lang naman yung sa akin, guys, no. And yun, sana maintindihan din natin, no. Additional expense din po sa kanila yan. At the same time, hindi natin alam yung baka yung schedule nila. Hindi pala baka, guys, talagang naka-fix na po yung schedule nila, no, kung saan and kailan sila pupunta, no, sa iba't ibang lugar po, guys, no. Okay.
Many fans are suggesting that if some are capable, other concert legs can be attended too, such as the Singapore concert leg. But please take note that right now, the amount of seats available for the SG concert is also rapidly depleting. Ooh! This demand for SB19 is echoed well in Chinese fans from mainland China, as comments such as these are pretty common under SB19's Chinese socials. As we've mentioned in our previous video, the Saw World Tour is only a prelude to more unprecedented international reach. The pinnacle, some see, isn't the pinnacle at all yet. The best is yet to be. Alright, that's all for now. Stay connected, like and subscribe.
Solid. Subscribe kay Jiro Pages, guys. Subscribe po kayo kay Jiro Pages, no. Yan. Okay, guys. Ayun na. Ayun, basta kung gusto natin na magkaroon ng day 2 na sa mga susunod na, ipakita natin yung yung suporta natin sa SB19. Ipakita natin na ito yung natin, ito yung gusto natin, no. So ipakita natin na hindi tayo lahat nakapanood, no, di ba? Ipakita natin sa kanila na maraming tao and sobrang dumadami na po talaga yung fans ng SB19, no. Ipakita natin yun sa 1C Entertainment, ipakita natin sa SB19 yun, no. Believe me, guys, pag nangyari yun, baka hindi na magkakaroon ng day 2, kundi mag-switch na po sa bigger venue ang SB19, guys, no. Siyempre lahat tayo gusto mangyari yun, di ba? And ayun, no, marami pwede mangyari. Basta yun lang, ipakita nyo yung suporta nyo sa kanila, ipakita natin yung pagmamahal na sa kanila, no. And pakita natin na deserve lahat. And I mean, deserve nila na mapakita ng mga ng SB19 sa fans yung kanilang talento, no. Kasi talagang lumalaki na po talaga, guys, yung community po talaga. Have patience lang, guys. Hindi ganun kadali yan. And have patience lang, guys, na hindi naman isang ganyan agad yan, no. Unti-unti tayo makakapunta dyan, guys, no. Lahat naman ng artist, lahat po ng mga international artists, guys, hindi yan isang pikit lang is nandun na po sila sa kanilang kinaroroonan, guys, no. Pinaroroonan, guys, no. Hindi ganun yan, guys, no. So have patience lang, suportahan na lang natin sila, suportahan na lang din natin yung mga movement ng SB19, no. So ayun lang, guys, no. Kindly leave a like, subscribe, and kindly ring the notification bell para lang yung pag-release ng bagong video, no. So this is Point of It signing out. Peace. Let's G.